Hello folks, today I would like to show you how to downgrade LG Nexus 4. As you can see, I have a awesome white Nexus 4. It's a model E960. Okay, so I will put it's running Lollipop, Android version 5.01, and I will show you how to downgrade it to any version what you wish. And also I will use that tool. It's called Nexus Root Toolkit version 1.99, but it's also available more recent version like 2.02, something like that. Here you can see Nexus version 5 Lollipop. Some people doesn't like it, and to fix that issue we can downgrade it very easy. And let me see, it's here. Here. No, don't show. Okay, this is when you press it, you will see Lollipop, blah blah blah. This is it. So first of all, connect your phone with a micro USB cable to your laptop, computer, wherever it is. We will need to use the USB debugging mode. To do this, we need to go to menu, about phone, build number. I will click 5 times. Now it says you are now a developer, and now you have that option, developer option. I will turn on USB debugging here. It's asking allow USB debugging. Okay. Always check that box, because without that it will not work. So I check that box, press OK button. Okay. Install all drivers. I already installed on my computer all drivers, so in your case probably you will wait until it will be installed. Now I launch that one. Here I will tell you what is this. So here you need to choose your model. On the top there is a list. You can see Galaxy Nexus, Nexus S, Nexus 4, 5, Nexus 7, 10, blah blah blah, Nexus 9, Nexus 6. My phone is, as you remember, Nexus 4 LG E960. I choose that one. You can see here. Here it's asked me to choose my current version. My version is, you can see here, Android version 5.01, build LRX22C. This one number is important. After we will refer to it. Okay. So when I press apply, it's asking me to USB debugging, turn on USB debugging on. Now it's okay. In case if you will miss some components, it will ask you to install. Click yes, next, and it will install components like bootloader or something like that. Okay. To proceed, first we need to use that. It will unlock bootloader. Now our bootloader is locked, so once I will press here, it will try to unlock the bootloader. Without that, it's not gonna work. You will not flash. Here also you can backup your phone as you wish, restore your phone. Advanced utilities, there are some options here, if it's rather for advanced users. And you can root your phone with custom recovery here, if you check here. Also you can lock the bootloader, so this will unlock, this will lock. And here you will choose when we will go to flash the device with current, with desired Android version. There are two options. Salt brick boot loop, it means when your phone doesn't start in Android properly, you can choose that option like that. Oh, it's also from fast boot. So when your phone starts to bootloader mode, you choose that option. It means it will try to connect you to your phone using fast boot. That one will use ADB, and you should have USB debugging on here. Okay, we will stop now describing. And here you will see all log, everything what it will type in command line kind of. You'll see anything like update information. So I press on unlock button. It will ask me if I am ready and I'm sure, because when you unlock it will completely erase your phone. You will lose all your user data. So don't forget this. When you press unlock, it will completely wipe. It's said here, completely wiped. Don't forget this. So I press OK. I don't care about many my data on that phone. I press yes. Okay, here you see some progress. Now it will try to reboot my phone in the bootloader. Here you see log state locked on the bottom. And now that application will try to unlock my bootloader. Okay, here I can choose pressing volume up or volume down. I need to choose yes to unlock my bootloader, and I will lose any my user data on the phone. To confirm, I should press power button here. On the bottom it said erasing. Now it will reboot the phone. We need to wait a little bit, I don't know, around 1 minute, and it will erase the phone. On the screen there is a pop-up window. It's asking kind of press OK to finish the script. Yes, press OK. Now we need to wait until the phone will boot up again. On the bottom you can see here that lock. When you see it, it means your bootloader is unlocked. In case if the phone has locked bootloader, you will not see that lock on the bottom. Okay, so it's finished to erase the data. Now we see the welcome screen, and I will just go skip to go to the menu. Because I need to activate the USB debugging one more time. So I go to about phone, I click build number 5 times, click back, developer option, USB debugging on the bottom, OK. It's asking one more time, check all is allowed for this computer, OK. In your case, install all drivers if it's not installed already. OK, on the phone is done. Now we will choose the firmware to flash, I mean Android version to flash. I will close that window. I still have opened that application. It's called Nexus Root Toolkit version 1.9.9. And now we will choose flash stock unroot. Here I choose device is on in normal. It means the phone will connect to the computer using USB debugging. And it means the phone is in the Android booted properly. Now I press that button, flash stock plus unroot. And it's remind us what phone should be unlocked first in order to run the script. If you unlocked already once, it will be unlocked until you lock it. So just here you will see a new menu, and usually you will use that option here. It's a second on the top. So here you see the list, right? And you can choose Android. You can see in the middle there is a lot of different versions of Android, and you can pick any of them, right? I can show you, for example, I will use that one just to show you. And you need to choose, in that case, if you choose this and you don't have already downloaded, you need to choose here, automatically download and extract the factory image selected above for me. I will show you just how it, now it will download all your data and it will continue by itself to flash the data. It will tell you, okay, blah blah blah, ta ta ta. Okay, but I already downloaded that desired Android version, so I will not download it, and I will show you how to use if you already downloaded or you flash in more than one. Okay, I will choose that option on the top. It says add the browse for use with any factory image package tgztar. Now you have two options here what you can choose. This one, it's third option or second option. In case of that, you can download by yourself, not using that program. You can download the TAR file and point that program to, when you press OK, it will ask you to show where is it. Okay. In my case, I choose before that option here, automatic download, and that one. So I will show you where it is and how you can use to not download many times the same ROM. So I choose first one and third here. Okay, press OK, and I show you where is it. Okay, so I installed my Nexus Toolkit. It's in the download folder. It's here. So I go inside. Don't just remember what you need to go to root of Nexus 2 version 1, your version actually. Where is the data folder? Inside you see factory images, right? So I have here, it's by ascending order. That one, do you remember I told you to remind that LRX22C? So this one, it's Android version 5. This one Android version 4.3 if I remember right. And this one it's Android version 4.2. So in that program I will choose that one. Those numbers will depend what you already downloaded for your Nexus. That OCAM, it refers to the phone version. Here you can see OCAM build blah 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 here, right? For example, this one it says JOP 4TC, so I can show you. It's here also. This is it. GOP 40C, this one, it's Android 4.2. Okay, so one more time I will show you how I go there. I choose downloads. It's just to help you to not download so many times the same if you are trying to do some tests on it. So this is it. I will click. You see the folder is empty, but don't worry. On the bottom where is the select folder. So I press it. That's it. Now it will run the script. Now you can see the phone rebooted to bootloader mode. Actually, it's a fast boot mode. Okay. And the application is checking now if device is connected properly, if fast boot status is okay. Now it says please press OK if you're ready. And also please disregard any messages about SIG file missing. Okay, so we will actually disregard those messages. Now you can see the new window popped up and it will show the progress of flashing here. Now we need to wait because it will check the package. It's not going very fast. The phone will turn off, turn on, blah blah blah, and you need to wait. So now you can see what happens on the screen in case, and now it's flashing, erasing, now it's sending system. Okay, it's done with flashing. Now the phone will reboot and soon we will see the phone has been downgraded to the Android 4.2 version. Okay, that's it. So as you can see, it was really fast. I will skip. Now you can see here it's Android version 4.2. Android Jelly Bean. This is it. So using that program you can downgrade or upgrade any Nexus devices. Doesn't matter the maker of the phone. You can, for example, you can use for Nexus for Samsung, for Nexus LG, for Nexus Asus. For example, Nexus 7 was made by Asus. So even HTC, the first one, the first Nexus was made by HTC. So here in models you can, okay, I will finish the script. And here, for example, they can choose Galaxy Nexus. No, there is no first Nexus actually from HTC, but okay. There is a Nexus 2, it's called Nexus S, it's also from Samsung. Galaxy Nexus is from Samsung. Nexus 4, Nexus 5, it's LG. Okay, Nexus 7, as I know, it's Asus. Nexus 10, I believe it's from HTC. Nexus 9, okay, Nexus 9 it's also HTC, and Nexus 6 it's Motorola. This is it. So thank you for watching. Please press some like button if you like my video. If it's helpful for you, you can share also on your Facebook or wherever it is. Thank you very much. Bye.